Rook H. Goodness. This guy... I don't even know what to do here. He can take this with the rook. He can just take it. Then I have to move, and I don't even know. I mean, I can go check here, but it doesn't really help me too much. I have a really nice idea here. Let's see if I'm going to get to do it. There's a really nice checkmate. Oh, yes. All right, so I'm going to take this, sacrifice the queen, go for the check. If the king goes back, that's checkmate. The king goes up. That's my only concern. There's 2 squares. I think I do. If not, I'm going to just lose, but I think there's checkmate. There should be. So king here. I think it's knight f3 and then here the rook comes up. Oh, where is the checkmate though? Let's see, g4, bishop c1. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it, right, guys? Ooh, that's a nice checkmate. That's a nice checkmate. Ooh. Could I do it with a pawn too? Ooh. Queen. Okay, now I can do it. Oh, I'm getting pinned. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. Actually missed that. Did miss that. Well, now it'll be interesting. We still have a lot of compensation, though. We do have a lot of compensation. Ooh. I really wanted to castle. That's too bad. That's too bad. Which way do I want to go, though? I guess this way. Let's get the rook involved. I just ignored a4. I was like, he's just wasting a random move. I'm going to go on. I wasn't even paying attention. I think we can still win this game though, because we have a lot of pieces over here. If I go there, if he takes it, I don't actually have a good enough follow-up. Do I? Maybe I do. Maybe I do. There's a check, there's a fork. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff happening here. Let's go check first. And then we'll go for this. I can also go here now. Maybe that's better. Maybe that's even better. He had to sacrifice. They had to sacrifice. All right, let's go trade that off right away. Let's play h4. Get the attack going. All right, we're going to sacrifice this guy. I think this is a checkmate, actually. Yep. This is a trap. This is a trap I covered in the Lion's Claw video. Just like this. All right, 53. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, but then the king's going to be exposed, so I think it's okay. We'll go for it. What I'm thinking about is he can get all 3 of these pieces if he wants for the queen. Usually it's better to get those pieces, but in this case, his king's going to be on e6. It might be difficult to... Okay, he's not going to go for that. So now I think I can just take this. I think he should have just taken it, and then when I took here with anything, just taken it. Just trade everything. That's what black needed to do. That looks pretty good, because I got my 2 pawns. Now I'm happy to trade some stuff. He doesn't want to trade. Alright, so let's just go back. Just bring the knight back. Yeah, that's a good move. It's a good move. Guess we'll go here. I just had to get out of the pin. Oh. Okay, I see a cool move, guys. I see a really cool move. I'm going to sacrifice my queen. Yes, I'm going to do that. Why am I doing that? Who can tell me? Why am I doing that? Anybody see it? Does anybody see it? Yeah. Oh, it's check. It's check. Oh, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Back rank tactics. Back rank tactics again. Maybe I'll just go here. Threatening the checkmate again. Fork. Oh, does that work? Let's see. Knight c3. Yep. Right. I'm just going to set a little trap here. See if we get lucky with this one. Doesn't really hurt my position to do this, so it's worth a shot. Okay, he saw it. Let's go ahead and pin this guy. This could be another target. That's pretty hard to stop. Let's go G4. This is the threat. That's a big threat. All right. I think it's better to do this. Why did I take the rook? I know why I took it, because I was expecting him to move the queen, but... Wow. Okay. Well, it's fine. It's fine. I was totally not expecting that. I guess he thought I was going to take with the bishop and probably was expecting a check. Whoops. Actually, maybe this is even better. I don't know, because he's about to get checkmated, so this is pretty good still. Probably going to go here. And then it's a question of which way do I take? Do I take this way and open up the rook? Or this way and just throw these pawns forward? Okay, he's going to go for this. I can still go here. No, I can't do that because there's a fork. I have to take this way. Okay. That makes it easy. That makes it easy. I am going to shift over here to the king side, I think. Let him take it. Yep. Okay, he's not going to stop me. So let's do it. That's the threat. He's probably going to give up the bishop, I'm guessing. Then we open up the H file. I guess he could go queen here. No, okay. It's kind of what I thought. All right, so how do we take advantage of this? I'm going to go here and trap the queen. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to trap the queen. He doesn't want to let me trap the queen. Okay, well, that's just a pawn, so I think we just take it. All right, so he's not going to let me trap the queen, but I got a bunch of pawns, so seems worth it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this, guys. It's a queen trade, but then I have a checkmate threat, which is pretty nice. I actually have a nice little checkmate here. Oh! You didn't see it. You didn't see it. You didn't see it. All right, we're number 7. I couldn't let the rook come down here. This guy's playing really well. Really well for a 900. Let's attack the knight. Finally, they make a mistake. All right, the rook is involved. He's got a little tactic if I move that. Yeah, this guy's playing really well. All right. That was a mistake, finally. And then... Ooh, that's... I don't even know if I can do that, actually. That's nasty. Man, all right. Let me do this check first. Rook H. Goodness. This guy... I don't even know what to do here. He can take this with the rook. He can just take it. Then I have to move, and... I don't even know. This is what I'm thinking, and then I have to go back with my rook. Okay. Okay. Whew. He is 900 after all. Wow. Guy played really, really well for a while.